Your digital marketing business builder tip. Your digital marketing business builder tip. Stop the scroll with before and after visuals. Catch attention and halt scrolling. By incorporating striking before and after visuals into your social content. Effectiveness unveiled, why it works. Tells a compelling story. Before and after images instantly narrate a transformation journey. Engaging visual storytelling that's easy for your audience to grasp. Shows changes visually. Contrasts between a before and after visually emphasizes effectiveness. Direct comparison speaks louder than words alone. Encourages sharing. Highly shareable content evokes a wow factor. Prompt your audience to share. Organically boosting your reach and visibility. Utilize before and after visuals. Incorporate this proven technique to showcase transformations on your social media. Highlight achievements, customer successes, or demonstrate the effectiveness of your products or services. Connect and impress. A simple yet impactful way to connect with your audience and leave a lasting impression. Hashtag digital marketing. Hashtag social media strategy. Hashtag visual content. Hashtag business tips. Hashtag marketing success. Please forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our most in-demand resource, newbeginning.com/freebies for you. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses. newbeginning.com. Solopreneurs digital branding hub. mynewbeginning.com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs dream lifestyle. supats.com. Connect with us at weCare at newbeginning.com. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly.